Hello everybody, welcome again to our channel, and the topic is again about process capability, but now this is something very specific that is inside of the analyze distribution platform, because sometimes you have that moment that you are performing that analysis. For example, this one, you have a bad result, but you would like to understand what would be good, what values of standard deviation, for example, would be good for us if we had to change the specification limits. What could be good values? What could we put in our processes that would attend our variation or our specification or our process capability values and so on. So before showing you what is this inside of this analysis, I would like to ask you to subscribe in our channel, to give us your like, and to motivate us to be to continue recording some interesting videos and sharing some knowledge within the community. Okay, so here guys, inside of this Y capability, you can see this interactive capability plot. So let's go there. The moment that I turn on this function, you have this graph. The shadow, the blue shadow here, is your original situation. So you can see here that all the original situation is here. The lower specification limit, the upper, the mean, the overall sigma, all the result about capability, the expected ppm, and here as well you have a new situation. So let's suppose that we put the mean of this process in the middle of the specification, so you can move, you can simulate different situations. So let's put this in the middle. So knowing that the lower is 99.1 and the upper is 99.3, let's put the mean in the middle, so 99.2, and now we have the ppk being exactly the same as the pp. So this is better for us, but is not the best. Okay, to be better, we should reduce our sigma. So let's reduce our sigma, let's reduce variation. The moment that we start reducing variation, we can see the ppk and the pp being bigger. So let's simulate here, for example, 0.02. The moment that I put 0.02, I have a ppk about 1.66. This is very good for us. Okay, this is a new process. So to have a very good process for this y number one, we should have our mean in 99.2 and our overall sigma about 0.02. Let's suppose that you want to come back to the original values. You can go here and revert to original values. Okay. Let's suppose that you can simulate some specification limit changes. So you can just go here and change your specification limits and see what will happen with your values here. So this is very nice. You can save new spec limits as a column property here. So this is something extra that you can use to simulate some situation comparing the original with the new values. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and let's see you in the next one. Bye bye.